Copilot is an amazing pair programmer, especially if you're a developer trying to build a type of app for the first time. Copilot can also help you build your first app for Microsoft Teams to boost your productivity and collaboration in the workspace. My name is Ayca Bas. I'm a cloud developer advocate at Microsoft, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your first Teams app using Teams Toolkit and let Copilot customize the code the way we want with some comments. If you're new to Copilot, you may want to watch an introductory video about this powerful AI assistant before diving into this video to learn how it helps build and customize Teams apps. Let's get started with the demo. To build our very first app for Microsoft Teams, we will use Teams Toolkit, which is an extension for Visual Studio Code, and now it's available on Codespaces. I will go ahead and click on Open in GitHub Codespaces in our documentation, and it will create a new codespace with a sample code available inside. I just want to run the app and show you what it is before we customize the app. To do that, first we have to go to Teams Toolkit, and we have to log in with Microsoft 365 account. Here I'm using a developer account. After I log in, now it's time to debug our app. While our app is initiating on Microsoft Teams, let me quickly walk you through our code a little bit. This app is a message extension, and it's a search-based message extension. Under index.js, we have all the setup about our message extension. And under Teams bot.js, we have our search code, which makes the search in npm.js. And when we select any result from the search, we return hero card to show the result data about our npm packages. Once our app is initiated on Microsoft Teams, we will need to click Add so that we can see the extension in one of the chats. And this is a chat with my colleague Olivia. I can search any package I want. I will search Microsoft Graph package, and I can select one of the packages coming from npm.js. This will create a hero card, and I can send the card right away. Let's quickly go back to the code and see how we can customize the code with Copilot. Let me install the extension first. I will install Copilot. After I install Copilot, I will start customizing the code, but I will not touch any code. I will only give comment to the Copilot. First, I will create product.js, which will keep our data, and I will start adding comments. The first comment I will add is create const array of products of length 3 with the properties ID, name, and description. And now it's time for Copilot to create the code. I will tab and add Copilot suggestions into our products.js. It's already creating the products as we wanted with 3 properties. Now I will add a command export products array, and Copilot is already helping me with the comments as well. It should be exports.products. Now let's go to index.js. And first things first, let's import products.js. I will add a comment for import products array from products.js, and Copilot will give me the suggestion. Okay, after that, I will add a comment, create an async API to get the product includes the name from the products array using filter checking lowercase. Now Copilot gives me the suggestion to create an API, and response will be the product. Okay, let's make a call to our very new API. I will comment out the npm.js search, and I will create an API call. Get response from the API call to get products by name using port 3978. Copilot is making a call for me, and I don't have objects, package in my data, so I'm gonna remove those. So I don't have to restart my app to test it out. I will go back to Teams, go to my message extension. I can type Pro, and I can choose any product I want and send the hero card to my colleague. As you can see, Copilot is helping me create a brand new API, and I didn't type any code at all. It's pretty cool that, as a developer, I was able to customize my Teams app the way I want by only providing comments to Copilot. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you get some value out of this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're also interested in learning more about using GitHub Copilot with other programming languages and frameworks, check out other videos in the series.